Looking for a keyboard that combines style, functionality, and a touch of luxury? Meet the Lofree Dot Mechanical Keyboard, where cutting-edge technology meets elegant design. With support for 2.4G wireless, Bluetooth 5.3, and Type-C wired connections, the Lofree Dot Mechanical Keyboard offers seamless compatibility with various devices, including laptops, PCs, and tablets. Equipped with Gateron Baby Raccoon switches, this keyboard provides a smooth and satisfying typing experience. Plus, the hot swappable feature allows you to easily replace or upgrade switches without soldering. The Lofree Dot Mechanical Keyboard stands out with its unique and stylish design, featuring round keys and a chic pink color scheme. Enhance your typing experience with 7 adjustable white backlight effects, perfect for low-light conditions. Crafted with high-quality materials, this keyboard is built to last and withstand regular use. Let's talk about the pros. The Lofree Dot Mechanical Keyboard offers a great typing feel with its Gateron Baby Raccoon switches, multiple connection options, a stylish appearance, adjustable backlighting, and hot swappable switches for easy customization. However, there are some cons to consider. The keyboard is relatively expensive at $199.99, has limited color options, is heavier than some other keyboards, and the round key design may take some time to get used to. Additionally, the backlighting is limited to a single color. Users have praised the keyboard's beautiful design, pleasant typing experience, and excellent build quality. However, some have noted issues with the rattling spacebar and the unique keycap sizes. Expert reviews from sources like XDA Developers and GG Recon highlight the keyboard's unique design, hot swappable switches, and overall aesthetic appeal. They also mention minor annoyances like the rattly spacebar and the high price point. Overall, the Lofree Dot Mechanical Keyboard offers a blend of style, functionality, and durability, making it a solid choice for those willing to invest in a high-quality keyboard. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so not to miss any new content, and as always, the link for the best price to purchase is in the description below.